cars. Decatur, Illinois. What's going on, man? Living the dream, right?
He didn't have no food. He said, I got food. We got food out there. And Spran probably went and got it out of the ground.
Intake, throttle body, put full exhaust on it, and I'll have about 350 rear-wheel horsepower. So it's going to give me almost 100.
Store up there by Miles. Okay. Quarter PM.
Easier than that one.
Yeah, unless you say you get in here.
I think it looks a still this guy's truck.
No, I really.
Wow.
I haven't decided what I'm going to do.
That same day, we took the bread racks back. She said, here, I got more. She took them to church, to Bible school. Probably ain't going to have to buy it.
Troublemaker right there.
I didn't bring my Corvette this time, so you can't talk about me.
Damn bad guys.
I didn't. I've known. I used to ride four-wheelers and shit with him. And
I just visited Bowling Green, Mississippi 2 years ago, and they have one
Where was it that had that sinkhole that lost a bunch of people?
in the Sky Dome.
Bowling Green?
Yes, in the Bowling Green.
That was,
Remember that, but I kind of forgot.
that was so sad. Yeah, they had a big sinkhole, and then they showed the whole crowd down there.
I was in the Sky Dome. That's why I came across this.
Yeah.
I had me a 92 with a 355 in it. That was fun. Uh-oh.
I have little bitty hands.
Oh.
So they're very tiny hands.
Yeah.
And I would like to let her to feel them.
Uh-oh. Well, you can go with my name, Corey Butler, drag racing. I guess the drag racing is an S10. Well, my friend, Mike Reagan, this guy.
Pretty good crowd today. Alright, that's about it for now. Cars and coffee, Decatur, Illinois.
He had this Corey Butler rewire the carbine. Go through it professionally, rewire it, you know. Well, he called that Corey Butler up and told him if he wanted to drag race that car, come and get it. Well, they came and got it already.